In this video, we're going to show you how to fix iPhone not charging after iOS 17 update. Right, so before we begin, you need to understand that you need to check your hardware. So if you have a concern about battery life, checking your cables and USB adapter for damage should be a top priority. So kind of like um, removing every option that you might need to like go to the technician, check your USB plug, check your charger, hey, even check your phone if there are any damages that you might have not seen or did, unconsciously. So after that is you need to disable optimized battery charging and clean energy charging. So to do this, go to settings and select battery, then tap battery health and charging, and then ensure that both optimized battery charging and clean energy charging are turned off. So it's on by default like this. Just tap on it to disable it or, turn it off. If that still doesn't work, you might need to try and reset your iPhone settings. So to do this is go to settings and then tap general. After that, navigate to transfer or reset iPhone. Then select reset. Tap reset all settings. You will need to enter your passcode and confirm. And after that, your iPhone will be reset. So most of the time that works, but hopefully you don't need to go through all these steps to do so, because Apple is very good at patching things up if there are any bugs when it comes to updates. So you might just even, wait for maybe a few hours to fix it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next one.